Dapat ang utak natin ay parang pagligo ng dagat. Habang palayo ka ng palayo, palalim ng palalim. Nang sa ganon, hindi tayo maabot ng mga mabababaw na nilalang.
Try live up the air of perfection. Trust the simple way and let it go. Easy, easy, easy. The wind and wild spin around you. The feel of earth and sun ground and calm you. Feel the steady song and let